Hello everyone! I'm back with another video, and for today's video ay isi-share ko yung nalaman ko na ESL company. Though ilang months ko na tong alam na company, but hindi ako makapag-apply kasi hindi pa nga ako degree holder. Degree holder ako next month pa. Yun. And gusto ko talagang gusto kong umapply dito, kaya lang siguro next time na pag may diploma na, kasi kailangan daw, yun yung sinasabi, graduate daw dapat ng kahit anong course naman. So this is, I think you already know this or parang familiar kayo dito. This is Poly English. Ang ingay ng aso. Okay, so Poly English, they are looking for full-time and part-time ESL teachers. Requirements: graduate of any course. O diba? Unang requirements pa lang, ligwak na tayo dun. Okay, with ESL teaching experience, TEFL or TESOL or other teaching certificate. Dapat meron daw tayo dun. No interview needed. Ito yung gustong-gusto natin, yung wala ng interview, diba? Just complete these simple steps. Okay, device test must have Intel Core i5 8th Gen or above. Hindi ko sure kung tama yung pagkaka-pronounce ko kasi wala ka naman akong alam dito. Next is pronunciation test up to 3 tries. So, ulitin mo ng 3 beses. Demo lessons, unlimited tries. Self-training, unlimited tries. Document check, diploma. Teaching certificates. Valid ID, valid NBI, valid police clearance. To be followed. O diba, ang daming requirements, yun lang. Kasi ang daming requirements. Pero for the fresh graduates, alam ko naghahanap kayo ng trabaho or hindi naman sa pag-aano. Kasi, yung ibang tao kasi may expectation agad na, oh, fresh graduate ka na, ba't di ka pa naghanap ng trabaho, ganun. Tambay ka lang, ganun. O diba? Hayaan nyo na sila. Peak hours ng pagtuturo. Weekdays, 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. Weekends, 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. hanggang 6 p.m. hanggang 11 p.m. Naku, okay itong weekends kasi may morning tsaka may evening. So, ano pa dong hinihintay nyo? So, I will put the link down below, and kung saan ko siya nakita, post ito ni Teacher G or Teacher G, G-E-E, and ilalagay ko yung link ng Poly English para makapag-apply na kayo. So guys, yun lang kasi walang rate na nilagay. And this is from China. Yun guys, I hope this helps you. Sana ay mag-apply kayo. Kung ayaw nyo naman, okay lang din, diba? Di ko kayo pipilitin, guys.